Good morning students, welcome to your science class. My name is Rupali Rajawat. I am your science teacher. Now today we will complete this chapter number 9, respiration, the breath of life. We have already completed more than half chapter, only one topic is left, that is given on page number 148 in STEM. In the previous class we have already studied that in the night time the openings of the plants are closed. The opening of the pores are known as a stomata. In the night time the plant are not able to take the breath with the help of stomata. In the night time the plant are able to take the breath with the help of the other part of a plant like stems. In the green stem, the plant which are counted as a herb or the plant which is counted as a shrub, the stem of that plant or the stem of the medium sized plant are green in color. So the stem of these kind of plant are able to take the breath because the small pores are present on the stem, which is also known as stomata. Okay, in the green portion, but wherever the or whatever the portion which is covered by the green color, from that places the stomata are present, due to which the plants are able to take the breath with the help of stem. And the plant which are not having the green stem in between, or the plant which are having the non-green stem in that plant, so many cuts are present in the stems which are known as the lenticles, and due to which the plants are able to take the breath in the night time, because in the night time the stomata are closed. So the plant which are green in color or the plant which the plant which are having green stem in between, so they are breathe with the help of stem at the night time, because in the green portion stomata are present, and the plant which are having non-green stem in between, they are so many types of cuts are present in the stem, because the stem are very hard. That's why so many kinds of crack are there, due to which the plants are able to take the breath. And that cuts which are present on the stem of a hard plant or which is present on the non-green stem, that cuts are known as a lenticles. Okay, so these are the parts of the plant due to which the plants are able to take the breath at the night time also. Now the one of the most important part of the plant due to which the plants are fixed at the one position, that is known as a roots. With the help of roots are also the plant are able to take the breath, because in the soil particle the gas are present which is taken by the root hair, which is coming out from the roots. Some kinds of roots hair are coming out from the roots. See the picture. See, the thread-like structure are coming out from the roots, so they are able, so the plants are able to take the breath with the help of roots also. Okay, so these are the kinds of a plant from which from which the plants are able to take the breath. Now in aquatic plant, the hair which is coming out or which are coming out from the roots, that hair are known as a root hair, or we can say that the thread-like structure are coming out from the root, that thread-like structure is known as a root hair. Now in aquatic plant, most of the aquatic plant does not have any kind of roots. And if the roots are present in the aquatic plant, first of all, what are aquatic plant? Aquatic plant are the kind of plant which is present in water, and the terrestrial plant is a kind of plant which is present on land. Aquatic plant is a kind of aquatic plant is a kind of plant which is present on water. Okay, or we can say that aquatic plant are known as a water plant, which is above the plant or which is inside the which are above the water or which are inside the water. Now in aquatic plant, stem and the leaf bear a large opening on their surface through which they respire by diffusion of gases. Like amoeba, the plants or the aquatic plants which are present in water, they are having the large opening, so due to which the plants are able to take the breath inside the water. In amoeba also diffusion processes occur, because amoeba is also found in water. Just like amoeba, the plants or the aquatic plant which we are found in water, on that plants the large opening are present, due to which the plant which is present in the water are able to take the breath or are able to take the or are able to exchange the gases, and that process is not known as respiration. That process is known as diffusion. Now your topic is completed here, your chapter is also completed here. If you are having any kind of doubt related to this chapter, then you are allowed to ask during your live classes. Thank you beta, this is very much compulsory that you have to see that video and ask your doubt during your class. Okay, thank you everyone.